Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer your XDC tokens from KuCoin to your Phantom wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the latest updates to these platforms. This process is quick and easy, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your KuCoin account set up and funded with XDC, and that your Phantom wallet is installed on your device and connected to the XDC network. Phantom is a popular wallet for various blockchains, so it's perfect for this. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets section and find your XDC balance. Click on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw option. This is usually right there on the asset page. Before you proceed, you'll need your Phantom wallet address. Open your Phantom app, create a new account if you haven't already, and switch to the XDC network if it's not selected. Copy your wallet address from the Receive section. Double-check it because accuracy is key to prevent losing your funds. Step 3. Back in KuCoin, paste that wallet address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of XDC you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. KuCoin might have fees, so keep an eye on that. Review all the details, then hit Confirm and approve the transaction with any required 2FA. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom wallet and refresh to see your XDC arrive. Awesome, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use the correct network, XDC specifically, to avoid errors. If you run into issues, check KuCoin's support or Phantom's help center. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.